Hi, everybody. This is Rick with TaxDome. Welcome to the Introduction to Invoices course. Now, getting paid on time can sometimes be very challenging. Many firms spend considerable time chasing clients for payments, especially as their client base grows. Some even have staff designated exclusively for pursuing payments and manually sending invoices. Well, with TaxDome, billing and receiving payments are simplified for both the firm and the clients. In this course, you will learn how to link your account with Stripe or CPA charge to accept payments by credit and by debit, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and even electronic checks. Your customers can pay directly from the client portal or from the mobile app. Lock documents to invoices to reduce the amount in your accounts receivable. This way, your clients will only have access to certain documents once the pending balance has been settled, saving you a lot of time and a lot of effort from chasing clients down for payments. Effortlessly create invoices and set up recurring payments for services like bookkeeping and payroll, which you might provide weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually, or even as needed. Additionally, you can automate reminders for outstanding invoices. Now, this feature is completely scalable, so no matter how many clients you have, you can easily serve all your current and your new customers. We're very excited to hear your thoughts and ensure this course truly works for you. At the end of your journey, don't forget to share your feedback and your suggestions. Your input makes a ton of difference. Need more personalized help? Well, schedule a call with our education team to take your learning to the next level. We are dedicated to your success. Ready to dive in? Let's get started.